What up, everyone? Welcome back to Financial Education and Business. And we talk about a lot on this channel, but mainly we've been talking on Hyrecar and the company and putting your car on there. Also buying and selling the stock options, just holding it in the long term. So Hyrecar is getting sued. Crazy. Um, I, from what I've been telling you guys lately, how they're not very responsible when it comes to responding on time properly, treating their car owners properly. I've made a video about them not responding to insurance claims and stuff. So this lawsuit actually targets that specifically. Levi and Kursinski LLP is notifying shareholders that their Hyrecar is being sued. To all people that were holding the share between a certain time, they may be eligible to get some money. So the details, right? So according to the filed complaint, Hyrecar had materially underestimated its insurance reserve. Hyrecar had systematically failed to pay valid insurance claims incurred prior to the class period. Once again, I made a video about multiple people unhappy on their YouTube video, just talking about how Hyrecar is not taking care of them when it comes to reimbursing their claim. So Hyrecar had incurred significant expense transitioning to its new third-party insurance claim administrator and processing claim incurred from prior period. Remember, there are people waiting 8 months, 1 year plus, and not getting anything back from Hyrecar. Hyrecar had failed to appropriately price risk in its insurance products and was experiencing elevated claim incidents as a result. Hyrecar had been forced to dramatically reform its claim underwriting policies and procedures in response to unacceptably high claims severity and customer complaints. As a result, the company operations have and prospects were misrepresented because the company was not on track to meet financial estimates provided to investors during a class period, and such estimate lacked reasonable basis in fact, including Hyrecar's purported gross margin, EBITDA, and net loss trajectories. So, this is really bad for Hyrecar. They have ignored a lot of claims. They have ignored insurance claims. They've ignored, honestly, they have also ignored liability transfers through void logistics. Things are really, really slow. When I look at the company, when I work with the company through all the cars I have on the platform, I notice that they have major system issue. And also from the videos that I've talked about of other people's experience when it comes to getting their insurance claims filed quick enough, Hyrecar is not getting back to those people. So this causes major problem for Hyrecar. Now, because of this, once before I go on, if you have experienced any insurance problems and you want to contact this company that's suing, Levi and Krasinski, here's the link. Click on it, and you can call them and report the information that you have. And right now, like, I have some stuff I'm gonna have to go claim because um, because I'm not hearing back from Hyrecar. I'm not hearing back on liability transfers and stuff like that for red light violation, which I've talked about before. So what problem did this cause? Well, Hyrecar, the stock tumbled because of this. For investors, this means they have lost a lot of money in recent times because the stock has gone from $20 now sitting at $9 and about 69 $9.62. Um, just today on the daily, the company really did take the past couple of days. The company did really take a lot of losses. It's gone from about $19 all the way down to $8, and then once again it did a climb and to about $12, and it's tumbling down to $9 where it was at the previous low. And so I think this is definitely a huge system problem that Hyrecar has. They need to really work through this. They need to manage the insurance claims. Take it, like I always say, they need to take care of their customers. They're ignoring their customers. They're ignoring the car, the investors who have cars that are putting their vehicles on the platform. If Hyrecar does not make it efficient, does not make it easy for them, then people are not going to put their car on that platform. So Hyrecar is trying to add EV cars, trying to go green, right? And they're paying people like $150 or something, $120 if you put your car on there, an EVE car on there. But if you're not managing the helping and making it efficient for car owners to put their car on the platform, and once again, like this article said, you're not taking care of them when it comes to their insurance claims, and liability transfers, then that's going to be bad for the company in the long term. So what I'm going to say, to be honest, is for the past couple of weeks, I've been struggling, multiple phone calls and stuff like that, just to try to get a liability transfer, because one of my car renters ran through a red light. And literally, I'll make a whole separate video about that, but it's been frustrating. Now something like this is happening. I think it's good. It's good for us who are putting cars on the platform. It's good for Hyrecar because it's going to teach them to be responsible. And this is common for a lot of small companies, startup companies who are trying to make it into the big game. Is they forget these important details, and it helps them out at the end of the day. I mean, if they might lose a lawsuit, but they're going to learn an important business lesson, and I think they're going to improve in the long term. Um, so this is it. This is the video I want to talk about. Hyrecar is getting sued. I hope they lose some money. I hope they have a good business impact from this, so that they learn the lesson. Because I know a lot of renters have felt the pain. So frustrating. So that's it. I hope this video helped, and if it did help, make sure you follow, you comment, and you hit that bell notification so that you get notified whenever I post. I've really slowed down on my posts, but I'll try posting more and more often. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day. Peace.